In today's video, we will see some of the most powerful and advanced features of Excel. These features are really very interesting and useful at the same time. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. Over here, I have got a vast data. And I want to take printout of this. I'll give the command Ctrl P and our print preview window got opened. We will see how it will look in PDF. This is the first page and we are able to see the headers. But when we will move to second page, headers are not visible. When we will move to the third page, here also headers are not visible. But in printout, we want headers in all the pages. I'll skip this and we'll come to my Excel file. Whenever we want headers, we will have to select headers. We'll have to go to formula bar. Just on the left side of formula bar, we are able to see name of the box. We will delete this and we'll put the name as print_titles. Now we will hit enter. Now we will see our print preview. Ctrl P. I'll take this in PDF preview. This is our first page. This is our second page and this is our third page. Headers are visible on all the pages. In case you want to repeat multiple headers, select multiple headers. Come over here, just left to formula bar and put the name as print_titles and hit enter. I'll delete this. In case you want to repeat column and rows, select column and rows and keep the name as print_titles and hit enter. And you will get the desired result. Let's move to the next feature. Over here we have got name of few reports and we want to create multiple worksheets. If we will create one by one, it will take lots of time. So to create multiple worksheets, we will select this. We'll go to insert, pivot table. We will take this in right side. Over here we will select existing worksheet, table or range. We will click anywhere inside our data or table and we'll do OK. On the right hand side we can see pivot table fields. Over here we have got name of the reports, daily sales report. We will have to drag it over here in filters. Now we will go in options. Over here we get three things: options, show report filter pages and generate get pivot data. We will click on the second option, show report filter pages. And we will do OK. But before doing OK, I want you to see the reports which we have got currently. Now we will do OK. And as soon as I did OK, we got all the worksheets over here. Means all the new worksheets over here. I'll close this. You'll notice one thing. All the new worksheets has got pivot data. And we really don't want this. So we will click on the first worksheet. We'll press shift and we'll click on the last worksheet. So all the sheets or worksheets got selected. We will click over here and we'll press delete. And pivot data or pivot table got deleted from all the worksheets. If we will do changes in one worksheet, it will be applicable on all the worksheets. In all the worksheets, Office Monk got inserted. In case you want to delete all the worksheets, you will have to select all the worksheets, right click the mouse and select delete. Delete and all the worksheets got deleted. I'll delete this. This is the attendance sheet of January and I want to create 12 worksheets for this, means for 12 months. And I'm not going to copy paste this data in all the worksheets. So what we will have to do, I'll come over here, I'll select my data and I'll create multiple worksheets. We'll go in insert, pivot table, existing worksheet, table or range. I'll click over here and we'll do OK. Now I'll click over here and we'll drag this to filters. We'll go to options and we'll click on the drop down, show report filter pages and we'll do OK. I'll close this and 12 worksheets for 12 months got created. I'll come to the right side. I'll select my attendance sheet, Ctrl C or Command C. Now I'll select all the worksheets which I have created right now. We'll select one and we'll delete the pivot data. Now I'll go to View, Show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Now I'll paste my data over here. Control V or Command V. And my attendance sheet got pasted in all the months. Whatever changes I'll do in one month, it will be applicable in all the months because I have selected all the worksheets together. I'll delete this. This is the sales data and I want to see the sales of East region. And I'm not going to create the filters. I'll click on East, we'll right click the mouse, we'll come down and we'll go to Filter. Filter by selected sales value. I'll click over here and my filters got created. And we are able to see the sales of only East region. In case you want to remove these filters, just press Shift, Ctrl and L and all the filters will be vanished. So the shortcut to remove or insert filters is Shift, Ctrl, L. This is really a vast data and I want to analyze. I want to compare the first day sales with last day sales. And even I want to compare first 5 restaurants with last 5 restaurants because last 5 restaurants or last few restaurants are newly opened restaurants. I'll click on second. We'll go to View and over here we get option of Split. I'll click over here. You'll notice a dark grey line. As soon as I clicked on Split, our data got divided in 2 windows. If you want, you can drag this. And we can see 2 split screens over here and both can be managed individually. Now I want to create 4 windows. I'll come over here on dark grey line and we'll drag this down. And we got 4 windows over here. Now we can compare our data very easily. In case you will delete some data from one window, it will be applicable in all the windows and data will be deleted from all the windows. So be very careful. I'll undo this. If I'll put some color over here, it will be applicable in all the windows. I have got a data over here which is not properly arranged. After day 1, we can see the sales of day 4, then day 6. After that, day 2. So we are not going to insert any column over here. We will just select day 2. We will press Shift. Over here we can see the icon of palm. We will keep on pressing Shift and we will drag our data. We can see a dark line over here. We will release our mouse and our data got shifted without inserting any new column. I'll select day 3. We'll press Shift and we'll drag our data. And our data got shifted. In the same way, you can rearrange all the data without inserting any new columns. Over here, serial numbers are automated. Whenever I'll delete any name, serial numbers will be rearranged automatically. If I'll delete something from the center, the data got rearranged or the serial number got rearranged. I'll undo this. In case I'll delete few rows, serial number will be rearranged. I'll undo this. I'll delete all the serial numbers and we'll see what formula we will have to apply. Plus or equal to subtotal, bracket open, function name. We got our function names over here. In case you are using text, just select 3 number, means count A. In case you are using numbers, you can select count. And in case you are using both text as well as numbers, select count A. I always prefer count A. Either it's a number or a text. So I'll select 3 number, count A, comma, reference number or reference 1. We will select the first name and we'll press function F4 and the cell got logged. Here we will use circular reference. Is to, I'll select the first name once again. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got our first serial number over here. I'll drag this down. Now I'll delete few names over here. After 4, where the cells are blank, we can see number 4. So to avoid this, we will have to insert the criteria of if. I'll undo this. We'll go in our serial number, means first serial number, and we'll insert the criteria of if. If bracket open, we will select the first name is equal to 0, comma, we will insert double inverted comma twice for blank, comma, we will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Now I'll delete something from here and the serial number got adjusted automatically. I'll undo this. I'll delete few rows and the serial number got adjusted very properly. Just drop a comment and let me know how many of you are already using these features. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.